some people start a diet, their fatty liver will begin to improve within a few weeks. They cut sugar, they reduce oil, they even lose a little weight. And for a moment, it feels like things are finally moving in the right direction. But then after a month or two, their reports still show fatty liver, or their liver enzymes are only slightly better. That is where confusion begins. They start wondering if the diet is not working or if the liver takes much longer than expected to heal. Then another assumption quietly forms. Maybe this condition is permanent, or maybe it cannot be reversed as easily as people claim. And this is exactly where most misunderstandings about fatty liver recovery begin. But don't worry, because in this video, I'll explain how long it actually takes to reverse fatty liver, what really controls the speed of recovery, which common mistakes slow down the process, and what your body is truly doing during healing. By the end of this video, you will have a much clearer understanding of what is realistic, what is possible, and what you should focus on. So let's get started. Now, let's understand this scientifically. When we talk about fatty liver, especially non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, we are talking about excessive fat stored inside liver cells. The important thing to understand is that this fat didn't accumulate overnight. It developed gradually over months or years due to diet, weight gain, insulin resistance, and metabolic imbalance. So, naturally, the recovery also follows a process. It is not instant, but it is absolutely possible. People expect a fixed timeline, like reverse fatty liver in 30 days. However, in reality, the fatty liver recovery timeline depends on how your body responds to changes. Scientific evidence from studies published in journals like Hepatology has shown that even a modest weight loss of about 5 to 7% can start reducing liver fat significantly within a few weeks to a few months. That's why some people begin to see improvement in liver enzymes within 4 to 8 weeks. So, if you are dealing with fatty liver, the first thing you should focus on is not speed, but consistency in metabolic improvement. Now, this is something many people do not expect. Your liver is one of the few organs in the body that can regenerate. Research from institutions like the National Institute of Health show that liver cells can repair and renew themselves when the underlying stress is removed. This means that if you correct the cause, such as excessive calories, poor diet, or inactivity, your liver starts healing almost immediately at a cellular level, even if you don't see it in reports right away. But here is the most important part. If you are doing something inconsistent, like strict dieting for a week and then returning to old habits, you may actually be slowing down this healing process. The liver responds best to steady, sustained changes. The real goal is not just reducing liver fat quickly. The real goal is restoring metabolic health, because fatty liver is not just a liver problem. It is closely linked to insulin resistance, body fat distribution, and overall metabolism. And this is especially important if you are concerned about how fast the liver heals. So far, we have seen that fatty liver is not random, and this is where the real issue becomes clear. Many people believe that special drinks, supplements, or short detox programs can speed up liver recovery. This is a confusion I see very often. But scientifically, your liver is already your body's detox organ. There is no evidence from controlled clinical trials that extreme detox methods can accelerate liver fat reduction. In fact, some harsh approaches may even stress the body further. What actually works and is supported by studies published in journals like the Lancet Gastroenterology and Hepatology is gradual weight loss, improved diet quality, and regular physical activity. These are not quick fixes, but they are the most reliable ways to reduce liver fat and improve liver enzymes over time. When you fix metabolic imbalance, your body starts responding the way it should. Now, let's talk about realistic timelines. In early stage fatty liver, also called stage 1 fatty liver, noticeable improvements can begin within 4 to 12 weeks if lifestyle changes are consistent. Liver enzymes may normalize within a few months. Significant fat reduction in the liver may take 3 to 6 months, and for deeper metabolic recovery, it may take 6 to 12 months. That might shoot longer than expected, but there is something important to understand. Improvement begins much earlier than visible results. Your body starts adjusting within days, but measurable changes take time to appear. Many people notice one thing during this process. They start feeling less fatigue, better digestion, and more stable energy, even before their reports fully normalize. This is your body signaling that internal healing has already started. Here is what I recommend for this problem. Step 1. Focus on gradual, sustainable weight loss if you are overweight. Even a small reduction can significantly improve liver fat. Step 2. Improve your diet quality. Reduce processed foods and added sugars, and increase fiber-rich foods like vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. Step 3. Stay physically active. Regular walking or moderate exercise helps improve insulin sensitivity, which directly supports liver fat reduction. And one important safety point: if you have diabetes, advanced liver disease, or are on medications, always discuss your plan with your doctor before making major changes. Please remember that fatty liver is reversible in most cases. However, it follows a biological timeline, not a social media timeline. When you understand this, you stop chasing quick results and start building real recovery. If you have learned something new from today's video, please like it, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Dr. Max for simple, natural, and science-based ways to stay healthy and live better. Start today.